only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. For a while, I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away.
Particularly like to thank the organising committee of the J&J Memorial Road Run in honour of Jim Tunstead and Jack Dwyer, the committee under the chairmanship of Derek Cummins and the rest of the committee for nominating us as the charity of choice for this year. I worked for 40 years as a doctor and 35 years as a GP, and I'm so used to dealing with people with cancer, but it took me a long time after qualifying to realise that treating the disease is only a small part of the need that people have after cancer. That there's a whole range of other services that people need beyond just treating disease. And those services are the services that we provide in Cois Nore. We provide high quality professional services free of charge to all our clients, and that's to people with cancer and their families and carers. So we are expanding the range of services that we're providing, and we're reaching out to a larger group all the time, and all those services have to be paid for, and this is where community support like this really is vital for us. It allows us to provide the services that are essential. None of us know when any of us or our family members could get cancer, and when we do, it's like a bomb going off in the family. It upends everything and upsets everything. And it takes a long time for people to get their lives back on even keel. So that's the field that we're in, and we really do appreciate all the help and support that we get. Thank you very much.
First of all, I'd like to thank everyone that came here today to support this charity, along with remembering Jackie Dwyer and Jim Tunstead. Today we remember, it's for all of us, Jackie and Jim will touch us somewhere along the line for his work, and Jim and over the years. I'd like to say thanks to the Tunstead family for giving me the opportunity to do it again this year, and also to the Dwyer family. Also, I'd like to go thanks to all the committee for their help. James Lake's here doing a lot of work behind the scenes there with me. Also the guards, it was a help out there today. And also I'd like to say that to the GA pitch here as well. The facility we had here this year was actually very good. And in fairness to Tom Brennan, Helen Brennan, Bar Rangers, and also Michael Cody for use of his farm land, and Ger Byrne. It's very much appreciated, because without those people working with us, we cannot do this event. Thanks to everyone that came today, and it was very much appreciated for everyone that turned out. And we hopefully all will do it again next year. Thank you very much.